How to get Linktree QR code. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can get Linktree QR code. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, log in into your Linktree account through the linktrea.ee/admin. So head over to the official website and then log in into your account. So once you're logged in, and if you're wondering how you can get your Linktree QR code, here's how you can get it. Navigate to top right corner. There is a share button here. Click on it. Now here you have various options that you can choose from, such as add to social, share my Linktree, and on below that there is my Linktree QR code. Click on it. And this is your Linktree QR code. So that's how you can get your Linktree QR code, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.